Good Saturday morning to you. Here's a look east from Pikes Peak. Should be a beautiful day for Warrior games or whatever is on your agenda for your Saturday. And temperatures will continue to be above average as we go through the work week. We'll see 80s clear through Friday. We will keep the chance for some shower and thunderstorm activity in the forecast for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. But by Friday, that drier air starts to arrive and then the cooler air kicks in for the weekend.
Jessica here to start us off, and it's looking dark and ominous outside right now.
Yeah, we got a lot of activity going on across the area. Tornado watch going to be in effect. Models are not doing the best job with these showers and thunderstorms. We'll show you two different models here and kind of show you the difference.
Much like in A Christmas Story, kids aren't going to want to put their tongues on any metal flagpoles today. Yes, bad
idea today. Yes, but it is a good idea. Isn't that the movie where he's like all bundled up and you can only see his eyes, right?
Deep sea diving,
so?
yes.
It's been a little while. Yes, that's a good idea for today. East of North Ellicott Highway, so we could have hail up to an inch, even an inch and a half in diameter with this particular cell. We've had two reports already this afternoon of hail over an inch in diameter, continuing that severe thunderstorm warning. Into the 40s, all of that sunshine has gone into warming temperatures for the southeastern corner of the state. Everywhere else, though, we ended up with about 3 to 5 inches of snow. So all of our solar energy today has really gone into melting that snow rather than warming our temperatures. Guys, we've got some very sunny conditions for the past few days, but clouds are moving in. That's going to mean some changes ahead in your first Alert 5 forecast. We do have a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings for our area. First one for far northern El Paso.
Man, what's the deal with Tuesday?
Tuesday's just like the reality check. I don't know, the playback to winter. It's hey, we're not quite to summer yet. Monday's like the teaser. Like, hey, this is what's coming our way. Oh, just kidding. But we did have some very heavy rain falling across the Hayden Pass burn scar earlier, so we still have that flash flood warning there until 8:15. With temperatures in the 90s, a little more moisture out there, and have a little more energy for those showers and thunderstorms to continue to develop and potentially become strong to severe. So our focus shifts off to our west. We've got this hill out here, this upper level ridge of high pressure. That's where the warm air is, and that's going to be building towards the east with the cell just east of I-25. We did have some very large hail potentially falling along that southern I-25 corridor in El Paso County. Most of that hail has moved off towards the east, which is good news for any traffic along I-25.
Meteorologist Jessica Van Meter continues our team coverage in Fountain, where we found some of the worst damage. Jessica.
Yeah, guys, damage pretty obvious and widespread around here in Fountain. Tons of shattered windshields like this one you see right here. Still plenty of time to come out and get your spots. It's sunny, it's hot out here. You want to grab the sunglasses, the sunscreen, and the water. One float to watch out for. This caught my eye. Some line dancing.
Right up to the camera too. Beautiful choreography there.
Very nice.
By the way, it's Jessica's Van Meter's birthday today.
Happy birthday, Jessica. Keep
Celebrate.
dancing.
Keep on dancing. It keeps you young. You know, age is just a number, everybody.
Can I do it?
Well, I could do it, and you can see the tremendous shape that I am in. So if I can make it, you can make it.
All right, shall we test that theory?
And you're off.
We're mixing things up with the ski report this week. January was Learn to Ski month. I haven't fallen yet. It's amazing. While I didn't exactly master stopping or speed control on my first day, I thought I was going in the trees. Aside from the kiddos who had some really great questions, I have to give a shout out to the 5th grade teachers because they have the coolest shirts I have ever seen. They dressed up for the occasion that says, "Storms don't scare me, I'm a teacher."
Your first Alert 5 weather with Jessica Van Meter.
Welcome back. Happy Sunday morning to you. We had a lot of cloud cover early this morning because of a cold front that moved through overnight. We're starting to see a little bit of improvement in those skies around Colorado Springs, Pueblo. A little more sunshine trying to break out so far. Temperature-wise, we're starting off at 58 degrees in Colorado Springs, 64 in Pueblo. We are going to keep those temperatures on the cooler side today behind that cold front. We've also got some pretty breezy winds to deal with. Those are coming from the north, around 13 miles per hour in Colorado Springs, 24 for Pueblo. So those northerly winds will continue to bring in some of that cooler air and give us some below average temperatures for today. With that cold front, we've also got an upper level low that's in place just north of Colorado. A little dip in our jet stream heading our way. That's going to keep us on the cool side for today and also keep us a little more active. We are going to have the chance for showers and thunderstorms to develop, especially as we get towards noontime and the second half of the day. The Storm Prediction Center increasing our chances for severe weather with their latest update, pushing that marginal low end risk back west of I-25. Slight risk being pushed back towards I-25, that corridor right there, and the enhanced risk actually being pushed further into Colorado. So basically the way to think of this is your severe weather chance increases, going from marginal towards enhanced. Southeastern corner of the state, best chance to see some of that severe weather later on today. Any of these areas, though, really a chance to see some large hail potentially and some gusty winds with any of these storms that do develop. Could also see a few isolated tornadoes developing, especially for that southeastern corner of the state. So good idea to be very weather aware today and to have a way to get warnings. You can do that with a First Alert 5 weather app that's free for your iPhone, Android. It'll give you a radar and, of course, any of those alerts as they pop up, especially later on today. So hour by hour forecast. This is our more aggressive model showing some of that activity developing by noon already around the Palmer Divide and the Pikes Peak region. Showers, thunderstorms become more abundant into the second half of the day by this afternoon and this evening. Plenty of that activity around, and again, any of those could be on the strong to severe side, especially for the southeastern plains. That activity lingers into the evening hours. We do eventually dry out through the overnight, and things really looking hot and dry after we get past today. Hot, not a word to describe today. Temperature is going to come in below average. We'll be close to 70 degrees around Colorado Springs, upper 70s to low 80s for Canyon City, Pueblo, and areas of the plains at southern I-25 corridor as well. After today, things do change. We are going to go with a 2. We're upping that on the storm impact scale because of that better chance for severe weather for today. So keep that in mind. Past today, though, things dry out and warm up. We're back into the 80s around Colorado Springs tomorrow, 90s returning on Tuesday. Pueblo areas of the plains, we're also going to up that storm impact scale to a 2 because of that threat for severe weather today, especially for the eastern plains. Temperature is going to be cooler for today. We're back close to 90 tomorrow. Triple-digit heat returning starting on Tuesday. Canyon City, 80s for today, tomorrow, and then 90s return Tuesday through Friday. Today, our really only chance to see any of that shower and thunderstorm activity for the next several days. Today, also the main day for the higher elevations. Woodland Park, we will have that chance for strong to severe storms at times today. Temperatures in the low 60s, 70s heading our way tomorrow. Dry conditions continuing for the rest of the week, 80s Tuesday through Friday. Going to be hot out there once we get past today, of course.